billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. I am from Ep6 Rawat. My name is Faika Batur and I am going to deliver the lecture for class 5th. Today is the second day of the lecture. We recently started our unit number 3, the states of matter. In this chapter, students will be able to learn about how we can change the states of matter from one form to another. Students can state the definitions of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, boiling, melting, and freezing, and learns about the water cycle. Our today's topics are students will be able to learn about the difference between rain, hail, and snow. So let's start from rain. What is rain? Rain is simply the fall of water in the form of drops from clouds. Did you know that raindrops aren't tear shaped? When they fall from the clouds, raindrops are round. As they fall, they lose their rounded shape. Raindrops look like the top of a hamburger bun with a flat bottom and a curved top. In this picture, I will tell you about the shape of it, rain. And what is about snow? Snow is frozen rain. Each piece of snow is formed with a different pattern. And what is snow? Evaporation from water sources, transpiration from plants, and respiration from animals puts water vapor into the atmosphere. Collection of water vapor condenses onto dust particles in the air, forming clouds. Snow forming clouds are composed of supercooled water droplets just below the freezing point. Clouds continue to become colder and water droplets begin to freeze. Wait, I have a song for you through which you can understand the water cycle. I have a water cycle song for you. Let's watch it together and enjoy this song.
Water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth. The water cycle takes the water and moves it up and down and all around the earth.
I hope you like the water cycle song. So let's start again. What is snow? Snow is precipitation in the form of flakes of crystalline water ice that falls from clouds. The process of precipitating is called snowfall. Again, the ice crystal is formed by water vapor in turning into ice. It then turns into a snow crystal or snowflake or snow pellet. So, what is hail? Hail is a ball or irregular clump of ice. Hail is different from winter precipitation. Not sleet, raindrops that have frozen, not freezing rain, not snow, and not graupel. Hail forms only in convective process. Hail cannot exist without a thunderstorm. It means that whenever it is a thunderstorm, you will be able to see a hail. Hailstones range in size from that of a pea to that of a grapefruit, more precisely about 5 millimeter. So, what is precipitation? Different forms of precipitations are rain. Rain falls when the water making up clouds has become heavy enough to fall to earth. Snow. Snow forms in clouds where the temperature is below freezing as ice crystals are groups of many crystals called snowflakes. And what is sleet? Sleet forms when a partially melted snowflake that has traveled through a warm layer of air. A raindrop falls through a freezing layer of air. This last layer causes the raindrop to freeze or the melted snowflake to refreeze. And what is hail? Hail forms as a result of these strong updrafts common in thunderstorms, usually in the summer. So here I have a pictures of 4 types of precipitation: rain, sleet, hail, and snow. Here again I have a video for you through which you can clearly get an idea about what is rain, snow, and hail. Let's watch it together.
Good morning, everyone. I am going to tell you how rain, snow, and hail happens. At the beginning, water turns into water vapors due to the heat of the sun. This process called evaporation. No one can see these water vapors because they are too small. Water vapors are like hot air. When air becomes hot, it goes up. As you go up, weather becomes cold. When water vapors reach cooler places, they come near to each other and again change into water. This process called condensation. Those water drops become bigger and heavier, so they will start falling down due to Earth gravity. This process called precipitation. Now, in this process, precipitation, rain, snow, or hail will happen depending on the temperature. So let's start first with rain. If the temperature is above freezing, cloud will form because the air holds lots of water drops. If there are lots of water drops in the clouds, they will become heavy and rain start to fall due to the Earth gravity. Second, snow. If the temperature is below freezing, the water drops will stick together and start to freeze and then become ice crystals. And the reason why you can see different shapes for the ice crystals is because when the water drops stick together, they stick randomly, creating beautiful shapes in different sizes. Third, hail. If the temperature is below freezing and there are strong wind, the water drops will stick together and start to freeze and then become ice crystals. But when the ice crystals fall down, the wind will push them back up to the clouds. And when they fall down once more, the wind pushes them back up again. This will happen for several times, and as the crystals go up and down, they will start to grow in size and they will change from ice crystals into hailstones. After these hailstones become bigger and heavier. The wind will not be able to push them back up, causing them to fall toward the earth. And this is how rain, snow, and hail happens. So finally, to repeat the stages again, first is evaporation, second is condensation, and in the third stage, precipitation, snow, rain, or hail will happen. So, after discussing these types of weather, I want to tell you what kind of clothes should we wear in each one of them. In rainy weather, we should wear raincoats, rain hats, umbrellas, and rain boots. They are all made of rubber, which is waterproof, to keep our inside clothes dry in this wet weather. In snowy weather, since the weather is real cold, you need to dress in layers. We should wear winter coats, gloves, scarves, sweaters, warm socks, and boots. Finally, what should we wear in hailstorm? Hail sometimes can cause injury because it falls down in great speed. So I suggest not to go outside. But if you had to, you should wear a jacket with a hood to protect your head and face from the hailstone. And use your umbrella for extra protection.
I hope you enjoy the video. So let's come to the work. I have a homework for you in which you will be write down what is the difference between rain, snow and hail, and I hope you will write down on loose sheet. Your answer must be recorded in the form of columns, and I have a research work for you in which you search a comprehensive image of water cycle and draw it on loose sheets and label each stage of it. Thank you so much for listening me. Take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.